Let's get your latest images coming in of the massive campus crackdown in America. Cops in riot gear have been seen taking on Palestine protesters. Protesters and riot police have been squaring off multiple campuses from UCLA to the Tucson University in Arizona. Police seen in full riot gear now arriving at the UCLA campus, where just moments ago we had student groups clashing and resorting to all sorts of vandalism and assault on campus. Now the cops have been called into the UCLA campus as well, and we're seeing a violent face-off playing out right now in several US campuses. These images are all from UCLA. Gaurav Sawant is joining us with more details on this. Gaurav, we're told now that the cops have been called into UCLA to bring the situation under control.
Massive deployment of riot police in total riot gear. They're right outside the UCLA campus. In fact, from coast to coast, from Columbia University on the east coast to UCLA on the west coast to University of Arizona to what's happening in South California, the situation does look very alarming in various universities. In fact, college administrations are now telling the police that their apprehension is that this may not be the handiwork. The protests may not be the handiwork of students alone, but there are outsiders who've taken over the protests and are misguiding students. And this makes the situation extremely alarming. So much so that if I could take you for a moment to the east coast to Columbia, where the police had to move in and use cranes after the Hamilton Hall administration building was taken over by protesters, that the administration wrote to the police saying that with regret we inform you and request you to kindly ensure that the Hamilton Hall is freed. Administration, the staff, they are being threatened. The same seems to be happening on the west coast at UCLA, where a large number of police personnel are now moving in. There are protests that are taking place with pro-Israel and pro-Palestine students facing off with each other. Pepper spray apparently has been used in some instances. Fireworks have been used. Some tents have been damaged. So the situation does appear alarming, and that is why a major police action does look imminent in perhaps the next several minutes, if not hours.
Playing out in almost every single US varsity where there have been these kind of violent protests of cops being called in. And there are serious questions also of these college, these university administrations and how they failed, Gaurav, in controlling these kind of violent incidents.
You're absolutely right. This is actually a case of a spark neglected that burns the house. That appears to have happened initially. These protests have been on for several months, in some instances several weeks, when it took a violent turn. Initially, when it was permitted in a corner of the university, it was okay. But, former US President Donald Trump, he's commented on this on one of the shows when he said that these students should have been tackled while they were still in tents, before they entered buildings. Why does it become very alarming now? Because it's not just the students now, it's the ringleaders of the protests. And the other question that the administration is finally asking: who is funding these protests from coast to coast? Identical tents being used, identical letters coming out, identical voices from leadership. So is there a mastermind of all these protests? Are these protests truly organic, or is someone using American democracy to subvert American education system? These are some questions that are being asked at this stage, even as this massive police action looks imminent, because US President Joe Biden had also commented on it initially, because while America wants to be seen as a champion of free speech, somewhere down the line, this violence, the arson, the vandalism, that cannot be seen as free speech, is something that Joe Biden seems to be now finally talking about, Akshata.
All right, Gaurav, thanks very much for joining us with those details. We'll keep coming across to you for the latest updates on what's playing out as we speak at the UCLA in Los Angeles. You can see the kind of images coming in right now of the police crackdown after things went completely out of hand in the pro-Palestine protest that we've been witnessing.